Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare a standard solution of potassium permanganate. First, understand that potassium permanganate is not a primary standard, meaning its exact concentration cannot be determined by weighing alone. You will need to standardize it later. Begin by accurately weighing approximately 3.2 grams of potassium permanganate solid. Carefully transfer this solid into a 1-liter volumetric flask or beaker. Then dissolve it completely in distilled water. Once dissolved, it is crucial to boil the solution. Gently heat the mixture for approximately 60 minutes. This boiling step is vital because it helps to oxidize and remove any reducing impurities that might be present in the distilled water or the potassium permanganate itself. After boiling, remove the solution from the heat and allow it to cool down completely to room temperature. This cooling process is essential for the stability of your prepared solution. After the solution has cooled, the next step is filtration. Filter the solution through a plug of glass wool, which is inert and will not react with the permanganate. It is very important not to use ordinary filter paper, as the organic material in the paper can reduce the potassium permanganate, altering its concentration. Finally, transfer the filtered solution into a clean, dark, stoppered bottle to protect it from light and dust. The final critical step is to standardize your potassium permanganate solution. This means determining its exact concentration using a known primary standard. Common primary standards include sodium oxalate or arsenic trioxide. You will perform a titration using one of these standards to accurately calculate the molarity of your permanganate solution. This standardization ensures that your prepared solution provides precise and reliable results for all your subsequent analytical work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.